Hey Dan, what's up?
Oh, it's filming?
Yeah, it's filming. Hey, I was gonna do a little PV project video.
Okay, PV project video.
So what we've been doing.
Well, we've been prototyping a lot and printing and adjusting parameters
Hmm.
and
How's the micromanipulators?
oh, micromanipulators. Yeah, I had the rod that I can cut and insert
Hmm.
to make it nice and smooth.
I think
And
we have a
and
working
then
one, I believe, eh?
hmm,
It's right over here. So I was playing with this one earlier.
okay,
Yeah.
but the glue here is not very good.
Okay. I think we're gonna have to make some deeper caps, right? We'll cover the nuts better. But it's a nice prototype. It slides in on this axis here. I was playing with it. It slides in and out very well. This one here.
Oh, that's the maximum.
Yeah.
Can you see?
I could get some movement going on there.
We can actually plug some motors, some little motors on these. Yeah.
Bzzzt, bzzzt, bzzzt.
And this one here, this is the pivot point,
Yeah.
and it's rotary,
Okay, you don't have the knobs on that, eh?
and the mechanism. Yeah, that's it. Oops.
So this is the micromanipulator assembly lab over here.
Yeah, this one is actuated by the screw
Hmm.
pulling on or pushing this
Yeah,
little
pushing it left and
piece.
right. Yeah.
The little piece slides underneath, and it actuates this part that pivots on this center point. Now this is to when you have an instrument. Oh, I need to put the washer, no,
The
the
nut.
nut inside here. Put an M3 screw that will um, hold anything that we put here down and hold it.
So I think this is the final version, eh? For now.
One of them has it, but oh yeah, with the sliding mechanism,
Mm-hmm.
you see the Z-axis also slides. You can, I don't know if you can see inside the.
Yeah, you can see the rod there. Yeah.
Okay, there are two rods, one inserted from here and the other one inserted here,
Mm-hmm.
while this part is already inside,
Mm-hmm.
okay, because it got the corresponding sliding and it doesn't move. It's kind of a little bit hard to slide. Maybe we should put some grease.
Grease, or we just sand it a little bit, eh?
And
Just give
then
it a touch of play.
the M3 screw
Mm-hmm.
will actuate it by turning it.
Beautiful piece.
The challenge here was to make it as compact and as low profile as possible for 3 axes that are uh, precise enough
Mm-hmm.
for the application. But it can be used for many other applications. For example, as we are snapping them on the thing with little magnets,
Mm-hmm.
we need to put some glue inside here and stick them inside,
Mm-hmm.
and then they will stand on the metal.
Nice.
They will stand on the metal thing.
Yeah.
But you can also use them with screws on
Mm-hmm.
standard breadboards for other purposes.
Cool. Is there anything you would add to this design? Anything you would change?
Well, you can custom make this part to adapt it to hold anything else.
No, but I mean for this project,
No, no. That would be it.
it's a go.
It's
Wait,
a-
hold on a second.
It's as small as you can 3D print with.
There's no smiley faces or little little decorations on them.
Oh no, because you have no space for.
We're saying that because Dan is known for adding a bit of illustration to of some life to all of his 3D designs.
Yeah, but this one you see, it's as small as you can do with the
Yeah.
3D, with the FDM 3D printer.
Actually, it looks a bit like a train or something. I don't know. Or all right, just having a bit of fun.
And it's missing some parts here. It's missing some. It would be cuter if I complete.
All right. Next up.
But we have the screws here. We are assembling. Oh, and yes, these they go here. Of course.
Yeah. Next, we're gonna show the gimbal.